The Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Lexi Birmingham.
Well, good morning, everyone. Happy finally Friday. We're going to have very nice conditions for today. Clear skies, but also it's going to be a little bit on the hotter side as we head into the weekend as well. So just keep that in mind. Remember to wear the sunscreen and stay hydrated. And you may want to plan a day by the pool or even out by the lake. We're taking a look at Lake Allen Henry right now. Still seeing a very nice, beautiful, soft sunrise this morning. And this is going to be the place to be over the weekend, especially since we're expecting temperatures to soar into the 90s over the next couple of days. But right now we do have to wait a little bit longer till the heat gets here. We're starting off this morning in the low 60s for most of our region here. 61 degrees there in Lubbock, 62 in Matador. And then we do see a few areas starting off a little bit on the cooler side in the mid to upper 50s. 54 degrees for Tulia and Muleshoe, 57 for Dimmitt, and 58 for the city of Morton. Now our winds right now looking pretty calm out, coming out of the north or even out of the northwest. Not seeing too much breezy wind conditions, only about calm conditions to about 5-mile-per-hour winds. We're seeing 5 here in Lubbock, 8 out in Paducah, 6 for Jayton. Some nice calm conditions as you head towards the southwest South Plains. It's Seminole, not seeing any wind as of yet. But it will be a quick warm-up as we head into the afternoon for the lunch hour. Mid to upper 70s up towards the north, and as you head south of town and even towards the southwest, temperatures do begin to warm up into those low 80s. And then we'll top out in the mid to upper 80s and even the low 90s for today. 86 degrees for Lubbock, 81 up in Silverton, 82 for Floydada. And then 90s down towards the southwest, 90s for Seagraves and Seminole, and 90s across the board for those folks out in Lee County. And we're going to have a very nice evening ahead. You don't have to worry about dragging the jacket around. You're not really going to need it. Temperatures will be mild in the low 70s with a few upper 60s up towards our northern cities and northern counties. But with that in mind, heat safety tips, again, stay hydrated. Make sure to wear the sunscreen and reapply as needed. Wear a hat, light clothing, and even some sunglasses, especially if you're going to be heading out towards the Texas Tech baseball game later today. Remember to look before you lock. Don't leave the kids or the pets in the cars during the day. Even though you're going to be gone for a short amount of time, if it's 90 degrees outside, it will quickly heat up to over 110 degrees inside that car. And remember to recognize signs of heat illnesses. If you do see anyone that's not looking a little too well, make sure you get them into an air-conditioned building. And if they don't improve, make sure to call 911 right away. 90 degrees on the board for today, 97 for your Saturday. And this will be a very dry heat. We won't really have too much humidity as we head into the weekend. Cold front moving in by Sunday and dropping us down back to the low 90s. Still going to be a hot one though, with maybe a chance of an isolated shower or two. Starting off the Monday, that colder air will be continuing to move in. We'll start off at 72 degrees with a 30% chance of some scattered thunderstorms before we heat back up into the 80s later on in the week. So pool days, lake days, National Donut Day, Texas Tech baseball. Great way to start off the weekend.
I'm excited. What are you going to be doing tonight?
Ooh, I don't know. I've been thinking about maybe checking out First Friday or maybe just having a day by the pool, you know, kind of relax before the weekend.
Well, I'm definitely going to First Friday, so you're invited.
Okay,
so
cool.
We should go tonight. It's my first time going, so I'm excited.
It'd be mine too.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Well, months after the campfire